Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable HubSpot tasks to manage follow-ups effectively. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable HubSpot tasks for effective follow-ups, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Sales tab in the top menu and click on it. In the drop-down menu, select Tasks. On the Tasks page, locate the Create Task button, usually in the top right corner. Click on the Create Task button. A new window will pop up for task details. Fill in the task title to specify the follow-up purpose. Set a due date for your follow-up task to ensure timely action. Assign the task to a specific team member if necessary. Add any further details or context in the description box to clarify the follow-up. You can also attach a contact or company to the task for easy reference. Once you've filled in all the details, click on the Save button. Your task will now appear in the task list. To view tasks assigned to you, filter the list by selecting My Tasks. If you need to edit a task later, click on the task name. Make your changes in the pop-up window and click Save again. To mark a task as complete, simply check the box next to it. This will help keep your task list organized and manageable. Regularly check your tasks to stay on top of follow-ups. Utilizing HubSpot tasks effectively can streamline your follow-up process and boost productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.